to file taxes with H&R Block Canada. Follow the instructions. Go to hrblock.ca and choose whether to file online, in office, by drop-off, or with an expert. Create or log into your H&R Block account to access online software or remote expert options. Gather tax documents like T4S, T5S, RRSP slips, receipts, and prior year's notice of assessment. If filing online, import data from CRA using Autofill My Return and follow the step-by-step guide. Answer tax questions in the software to claim credits, deductions, and optimize your tax return. Review your full tax return summary and verify personal details and all tax slip information. Choose NetFile to submit your return electronically and get CRA confirmation after submission. Track your refund status through CRA My Account or within H&R Block if expert filed it for you. Thank you for watching.